CW Auto King with another video of our frequently asked questions of what you should do and ask before you purchase the vehicle from myself or anyone. What is my return policy? Never had that issue. If it so does arise, I don't have a problem with that. We can do a trade, get you into something else that you feel more confident in. We do not rush anybody to buy the initial unit, meaning that's why we never have the issue. At CW Auto King, we pride ourselves in providing our clients with reliable, trouble-free trucks, cars, SUVs, and minivans. All vehicles are detailed, all required mechanical work gets done, safeties are supplied, all vehicles are eligible for an extended aftermarket warranty, bank financing is always available. Please visit our website at cwautoking.com for more information or to browse our inventory. Or feel free to give us a call at 204-777-5088 to arrange a test drive.